Yes, good morning.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So can you see my screen, guys? Yes, right? Okay. So access the portal, portal.azure.com. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about what? Storage account. Okay, what is the storage account? Any idea? Anyone? What is the storage account? As he said, storage account is a unique namespace. Simply we can say storage account is a unique namespace. Okay, and it is used to store structured or unstructured data. Okay, it is used to store structured or unstructured data. Okay, yeah, structured or unstructured data in the sense structured data which is in readable format called the data which is in readable format called structured data. Unstructured data in the sense the data which is not in readable format is called unstructured data. Okay, structured data we can say okay, structured data we can say PDF, okay, Excel, okay, Word, PPT. These are what structured data. Unstructured data in the sense, okay, we can say audio, video files, okay, video files, backup files. What is that? We can say backup files. These are what unstructured data. So storage account is used to store structured or unstructured data, right? Yeah, great. Next, there are generally two types of storage account. One is general purpose storage account. Okay, what is that? General purpose storage viewer version 1. Same way, general purpose storage account V2. Okay, same general purpose only V1, V2. Okay, V1 it contain older versions, V2 version 2, so which has new features. New features means which contains hard tire and cool tire. This is one feature. Okay, what is the hard tire and cool tire in the sense? Frequently used data. What is that? Frequently used data will be stored in, where is that? Hard tire. That we will call it as, uh, what is that? Hard tire. Okay, infrequently used data. What is that? What is the cold tire? Infrequently used data. Okay, used data. Okay, will be stored in storage account. That type we will call it as cold tire. Uh, Frequently accessed data in the sense, for example, your resume is there in C drive or D drive, whatever it is. So what we'll do every day, we will open, we will remove some points and we will be adding some points. Okay, so as per market standards and all. Right, that is frequently accessed data. Infrequently means, for example, you have one movie in our desktop. Okay, so will you watch that movie every day? No, right? So that movie we will watch. Okay, monthly ones, quarterly ones, etc., etc. That are what infrequently accessed data, right? So this is about what the data is categorized to store in two ways. One is cold tire, other one is what? Hot tire. Okay, next, redundancy. What is that? Redundancy. Redundancy in the sense, what does it mean? Redundancy in the sense, we can replicate data. What is that? We can replicate the data in different locations. Okay, redundancy means make it high available. Simply we can say redundancy. If you hear this word anywhere, what does it mean? We can, what is that? Maintain multiple copies of your data, and if any data, any location is missed out, so we have alternate location from there we can access it. That is what redundancy. Okay, so Microsoft maintain data in storage account 4 ways. Okay, how many ways we can maintain the high availability in Microsoft Azure storage account? 4 ways. Okay, one is LRS. These are the quite common, guys. In future, we will see this feature for all services in Azure. I am thinking LRS, ZRS, third one GRS, fourth one RAGRS. Okay, LRS in the sense local service, local redundant service. Okay, LRS in the sense local redundant storage. Sorry, storage. Okay, ZRS in the sense zone redundant storage. Redundant storage. Okay, GRS in the means geo redundant storage. Okay, geo redundant storage. Okay, RAGRS in the sense read access. Okay, geo redundant storage. Geo redundant storage. Okay, this is about what? Redundancy. Okay, yeah, next. So the storage account which contain 4 types of services. Okay, how many types? 4 types. One is file share. Other one is what? Table storage. Okay, yeah. Third one, blob storage. What is that? Blob. Blob in the sense binary large object. Okay, yeah. Fourth one, queue storage. What is that? Queue storage. Okay, these are important data which you have to remember. Clear? Yes. Next, now have a look. Yeah, have a look how to create one storage account in Microsoft Azure Cloud. Okay, have a look. This is the Azure portal. Now go to storage account. In left side there is a one option storage account. If you don't see this option here, go to all services. Okay, here storage. Here you can mention. Here we have storage account. This is the one. So what is that? All services. Okay, under storage category, you have storage account. Okay, yeah, next click on it. See, at present I have 3 storage accounts. Okay, for your reference, what I will do now, let it be. I am going to create new storage account. As I said, first step, storage account is a unique namespace. Unique namespace in the sense it should be unique in the globe. For example, try to create okay, just type TCS. What it is showing? TCS name already used by someone in the world. Okay, yeah. Next, just give Wipro. Okay, yeah, Wipro. This name also used by someone. Wipro storage. It is also used by someone. So whatever the name you are providing, that should be unique in the globe. I have used it. Wipro storage you cannot use. Anyone cannot use in world. I have already used Wipro storage. No one can use What is that? In the world, same name again and again. Okay, so what I will do now, I am giving my storage. See, this is also used by someone. My storage, I am giving the timestamp 2022 08 24. Just I am giving. What is that? 24. Okay, guys. 2024. Now, local redundant storage. See, this is the one. Local zone geo redundant storage. Geo zone redundant storage. Okay, I am choosing local. What will happen now? Your data will be stored. Okay, your data will be stored 3 copies. Okay, your data is stored 3 copies of your data and stored into different tracks of same data center. For example, this is the data center. This is the rack. This is the rack. Okay, one copy of your data stored in this rack, another copy, third copy. Clear? For example, this rack is failure due to power outage, network issues, or switches issues, or power failure issues, or rack failure issues, or disk failure issues. Still, we have other two connectivity. From there, we will able to get the service. So, at any cost, okay, your data will be live, irrespective of rack failures in data center. That is what local. Okay. So if entire data center is crashed, this option is not useful. Okay. For example, you have stored data in Chennai data center. Okay. Chennai data center is crashed due to some unexpected events are occurred. So it has been crashed. So in that case, we can't do this option. Not possible for our requirement. Then you have to go for zone redundant storage. So what is the zone redundant storage? I will come back to that point. Okay, yeah. Now advanced. See, as I said, this data can be accessed. See, this is the storage account data. This can be accessed by developers in 3 ways, guys. How many ways? Developers can access 3 ways. One is, see, REST API. What is that? REST API. Okay, other one is public access. Okay, yeah. Third one is what? You have to send one key, access keys, we can say, or we can say private endpoint. What is that? Private endpoint. Okay, yeah. So what does that mean? REST API in the sense this is developer will access by writing the services. Public means directly you can access it. Private in the sense anyhow, you know, right? Private in the sense within the network by enabling some security features. Okay, right? Yeah, next. Now this is about what? Security, how we can access the your data. Next. So these are all the blob storage, how to access the data. This is what I said. Tire access. So cool tire and hot tire. Frequently access the data. See, frequently access the data and day-to-day using scenarios. Cool tire in the sense infrequently access the data. Okay, infrequently access the data in the sense, what does that mean? The data which is not accessing frequently. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I am going to store the data which has to be accessed frequently. So I am giving frequently accessed data. Now networking. See, how do you want access? Do you want to access it as a public or private or within private endpoint? Okay, yeah. So this is the one. Public, private, private endpoint. So you know, right? You people are watching Amazon Prime. Initially, they are providing what? 1 month free trial. When you provide username and password, They are providing 1 month free trial. That is public, right? Anyone can access, anyone, uh, yeah, get the access for 1 month free trial. You'll able to watch all the movies, whatever they placed in there, right? After 1 month, what you have to do? You have to pay. So what does it mean? You are paid within the network. You are paying per Amazon network. So they are providing the service to access those services, right? So that is what private. Private in the sense where is payable, they can access it. It in the network, right? So that is about what? Public, public within the network, private. Private in the sense total within the corporate network. For example, you are working in TCS, so you have to go for TCS network. Within the TCS network, what data can be accessible? Okay, yeah. Next, data protection. So what does it mean, data protection? For example, there is a data, okay, accidentally that is deleted. Okay, accidentally the data got deleted. So in that case, uh, how can you restore it back? That's why Microsoft introduced soft delete. Soft delete means it's like a recycle bin. If we delete any item in our desktop, okay, so then immediately we will able to restore it from recycle bin, right? Recycle bin lifetime is 30 days. Within 30 days, anytime you will able to recover the data, right? Same way, Microsoft introducing soft delete. Soft delete means if you delete accidentally, we will able to recover the data. That is what we will call it as soft delete. Clear? Yes. Next. Now, see, so soft delete data is there 7 days. If you want, you can increase 365 days as well. That is the maximum time. Okay. Now encrypt. So this is what they are providing encryption. Okay. Microsoft managed keys automatically our data will be encrypted within the data center. Now tags review on hit create and review on create it. Yes, create it. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, it has been created, right? So your deployment is completed. For example, so this is the storage account name. This is the storage account name. Try to create storage account with same name. Navigate to storage account. Create. Uh, yeah, give the name. It will throw an error. See, already taken by someone. Right? So that's why I said in the notes, storage account is a unique namespace where we can store structured or unstructured data. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now go to storage account. So the storage account which has 4 types of services. One is file share, table, queue, blob containers. Formerly we used to call it as blob containers. Blob in the sense binary large objects. Binary large objects. Right now, first thing is file share. Okay, file share. What is the file share? So file share is a service for storage account. Note it down. First point, file share is a service in storage account and it is used to store structured data. What is that? Structured data. Let me write it down. Okay, first point, file share is a service in Azure and it is used to store structured data. And it is used to store structured data. Okay, yeah, next. It is used to store structured data. Okay, yeah, next. So file share can be integrated with file share can be integrated with local network drive. First point. Second point, file share can also be integrated with your FTP, file transfer protocol, FTP server in on-premises. In on-premises. Okay, yeah, next. So file share it is first to store PDF, Excel, okay, text files, all structured data, etc. etc. Now have a look. Create one file share. File share name is my file share. What is that? My file share. Okay, create it. See, if you observe, see the symbol itself which is showing three ways. Okay, so what does that mean? One thing you can integrate it with your local network, right? It can be integrated with your FTP server. This can be integrated with what? Uh, even AG copy as well. Using AZ copy also we can store the data in file share. So by default, this is the file share I have created just now. The quota is 5 TB. The moment you can store 5 TB data. So it is horrible 5 TB. So for me, the cost is very high. So what I will do now, I will go on edit. I am giving 1024 GB, 1 TB. Even I don't want that much. Edit quota, 1 GB is enough for me. Yeah, now it is 1 GB. Clear? So later on you can increase it, no issues. Now, can I store the data? Why not? Now go to file share. This is the file share. Okay, yeah, add directory. The directory name is Microsoft. Okay, create another directory, Azure, Microsoft Azure. Another directory, cloud. Okay, three directories has been created. So directories in the sense nothing but folder. How we people are creating in our desktop, laptop, right? Same way, right? Yeah. Next, can I store some data? Yes. Click on it. Now upload. Okay. Browse. Upload some data. Yes. Yes. Okay. Three files have been uploaded. Right, guys. So under file share, I created three directories, Microsoft Azure, three directories. Okay. Under Azure, I have created, yeah, I have uploaded three files. Do you know we cannot upload directories? For example, there is a one folder in desktop. See, there is a one folder, multi-VM creation. Click on it. We will not able to upload entire folder. Only files can be uploaded. Other thing is you cannot drag and drop any documents. For example, this is the one drag and drop. It won't accept it. Clear? So only we can upload the individual files. Okay, cannot upload folders. In order to upload the folders, Microsoft introduced one tool called Azure Storage Explorer. That I will come to that point. I'm getting to the point later. Okay, yeah. Next, at this moment, this file share has to be integrated with my local network drive. Can I do that? See, this is the file share. This file share has to be integrated with my local laptop. What is that? My local laptop. Or else this file share should be integrated with what is that? Any file system. Okay, so this is my local laptop. Whatever the data I have in my local desktop, that can be synchronized with file share. Okay, yeah, how can you integrate with? How to integrate with that? Click on it. Okay, there is a connect. Click on connect. See, your laptop would be Windows or Linux or Mac. So I can say in Linux in the sense show the script, you have to execute the script with Linux to integrate with that. Mac in the sense you have to configure, this is the one. Anyhow, we are using Windows, it will generate the script. This is the script, you can use it. Nice, right? Okay. Yeah, Great, wonderful. Now I am using, what is that? What is the drive letter do you want? See, we have all drive letters. Okay, I am going to use S drive. Show the script. Now copy the script, keep it in Notepad. Okay, I can integrate with my local laptop, but not required. What I will do now, I will integrate with one of the virtual machine. Assume that this virtual machine is my laptop. Okay, yeah, go and access it. Okay, start the VM. Start the VM. Just copy this IP, MSTSC. Okay, paste it, connect. Okay, I am going back to Cloud Admin, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes. Okay, yeah, so this is the server, right? Now, go and verify File Explorer, this PC. You can see, right, only we have two drives. Okay, we have two drives. Okay, C drive, D drive. Now, let us see. So I want to integrate with my local network drive with file share. Okay, so this is the script. Okay, one way directly you can execute this script. For example, this is the script, right, already which they have provided. Now copy, open PowerShell. Okay, this is the PowerShell. Paste it. Yes, communicate it. So what does it mean? The credentials added successfully. Now go and check. See, this is the one. So three directories are synchronizing with your local system. If you want to create two more directories, directly you can create it, TCS. Okay, yeah, next other thing is Wipro. Okay, can I upload some files here? Why not? Text file, I am giving Azure. Okay, text, close it, copy, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, now copy, Go back, another Wipro, paste it. So two directories. I created two directories in my local. Okay, and it should be it should be synchronized with what is that? Azure file share. See, navigate to storage account. This is the storage account. Yeah, file share. See, click on file share. TCS. See, all the files are synchronized. Okay. Yeah. Next, other folder which I created, Wipro. So Wipro has many files. Okay. So this is how what your file share can be integrated with local network drive. Clear, guys? Okay. Yeah. Next, as I said, this option is useful, especially if you would like to integrate a file share with your local network drive. Okay. So generally this option used by clients. Clients in the sense, they will have one file share that can be integrated with their local laptop. So people can every time go and upload into file share, they can drag and drop the documents into local one folder. So automatically it will be synchronized with that file share. Like OneDrive concept. OneDrive also it is same, right? If you install one tool in OneDrive, your data can be synchronized with OneDrive concept. OneDrive maximum you can store it 15 GB. They given limitation. Hello? My voice is clear, guys? For everyone. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we can integrate with we can integrate with local file system. Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the important option. Okay. As I said, these options used by many clients in the organization. Okay. Yeah. Now, in order to drag and drop the folders, drag and drop the files. Okay. Drag and drop. What is that? Folders, large amount of files. Microsoft introduced one tool called Azure Storage Explorer. What is the tool name? Azure Storage Explorer. Okay, yeah. So this is the first tool which I am introducing in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, using this tool, we can perform many more operations related to Azure. Okay, let's see. First, go on download the tool. What is that? Azure Storage Explorer. Okay, to download anything that is related to Azure, we have one site called azure.microsoft.com. Okay, at end of the URL, just type downloads. Okay, here we have all the tools, guys. Whether it is development related or admin related, all the tools they have placed under downloads option. Now, what I need? I need this tool. What is that? Azure Storage Explorer. Download. Yes, we have Windows, Mac, Linux, everything. Download it now. It is downloading. Okay, yeah, next. Copy this tool. You can install in your local machine. If really your laptop is having good configuration, like 16 GB RAM and high-end configuration, happily you can install this tool. Okay, or else copy this tool into one of the VM and install it over there. Okay, you can install that tool in our local laptop or desktop, guys. No issues. If you have 8 GB or 16 GB RAM, happily you can install it. So this is somehow big tool. Okay, if I install in my laptop, I could see some performance issues, so that I'm installing on top of virtual machine. Uh, okay, what is that, Kiran? You are typing something, right? Can you ask me that question?
Yeah, so we are using file share, right? So
Yeah.
we already linked that file share to VMware. So can we copy any of one of the folder directly run from there?
Yes,
You
yes,
have to
you can
copy.
copy.
It will take
Yes,
time. But
yes, it will. You can copy that option.
we
See,
can run
actually,
directly from the file share, or it will
you
work.
can, yeah, you can drag and drop directly file share, right? For
No,
example,
no, I'm not asking drag and drop. Drag and drop will work, but running that file share exe will work, or we need to copy again to VM.
file share exe is not there. Do you see somewhere?
No, no, no. What I'm asking is, so you downloaded this Azure Storage Explorer, right?
Okay.
So once you download, you place that into file share. Any
No,
of
no, 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 no. This is total different tool. I'm not going to place any file share. So file share, it will work for only file share services. Azure Storage Explorer, it will work for entire storage account. Got it?
maybe my question might be
Yeah.
answered.
So let it be complete so that you'll get the answer for that.
No, no, no. My question was different actually.
Yeah.
So now you have some 3 or 4 folders. So you copied here in storage account only structured data you're telling, right? So
Yes.
the exe will be coming under non-structured data.
Exe file. Yes. Exe files are unstructured data.
So we cannot copy that into any of the files here.
Yeah. It is not recommended.
Okay, if it is allowing, we can upload here and uh,
Oh, you mean to say you can copy it over there, right? Okay. So this is large size, right? Internet should be good on all everything you have to. Yeah. It will take some time.
I have a question.
Okay.
So as you said, like this file share can be in general scenario, several customers can access the file share, the different folders. Is there a way we can just restrict each folder for individual customer so that suppose
No. So each directory for individual customer, not each folder.
yeah, the directory. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, this is for one of the client. Assume that you have provided the access for A user. So some B user coming to the picture, you need separate file share, right? So
Okay,
that what you will do now, you will create another file share.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And then in similar scenario, if we have, just like we ran and you gave access to the file share or drive to the VM, if we have to delete that file share, how can we do that?
Yeah, then automatically it will be deleted from this file share as well. So that's what in real time now we will implement disaster recovery. So disaster recovery means we will trigger the backup once any data will be lost, then immediately we can able to recover the data from disaster recovery.
So basically, we create a file storage here, file share in on our here, over here, and we're giving access to one of the VM. And if VM deletes the link, if we don't give access to VM anymore for that file share, you mean to say the file share which we created over here will be deleted?
No, no, no. If that source is deleted, you will not lose any data here.
Okay.
Okay, so manually, suppose this file share has been integrated with my local file system. I mean my local laptop. If I
Right.
deleted some files manually, then it is
Mhm.
synchronizing with your file share. Am I right?
Right. Right.
So here also the same synchronization will happen. If you want those old files, you should trigger the backup every day.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. For example, so at present, how many directories are there? 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Microsoft Azure, TCS, Wipro. Now go to my local. Okay, this is the file share. I'm going to delete all 4 directories except Azure.
Mm-hmm.
So same operation it would be synchronizing with what is that file share itself.
File share. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see permanently it is deleted. If I
Right.
go, yeah, if I go and verify, you can see only one directory is refresh one time.
Mm-hmm.
Only one direct. All 4 directories are lost. So if you want that file, then you should have what is that backup.
Backup. Backup.
Yeah.
Okay. And if
Okay.
I need to disconnect the drive from this, from my VM, how can I do that?
No, drive cannot be. So file share can be integrated to your local network drive. Your drive cannot be integrated with what? File share.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, have a look. See guys, I am not able to upload. What is that exe file? Got it? See, this is the my storage explorer. Double click and install it. Yeah, install. Accept, agree terms and conditions. Install it. So storage account is very important topic. Okay. Uh, so without storage account, there is no project in Azure, guys. That's why I said this is one of the pillar of Microsoft Azure. Okay. Yeah. So from now onwards, after this storage account, for every topic, I will be using what is that storage account. Okay. Yeah. Next, finish. Now open Storage Explorer. Okay, this is the Storage Explorer, right, guys? Now, how can you do that? Go to, there is a plug mark. Am I right? Click on plug mark. So you need to connect storage account. Yes. How would you like to connect? I need to pass username and access keys. So connect. What is the storage account name? Go and copy the storage account name. Yeah, this is the storage account name. Okay, yeah. So in this blade, we have one option called, what is that? Access keys. This is what? Access keys. Okay. So access keys is one way of securing and secure way of communicating your storage account. Okay. Yeah. So this is the storage account. Copy and paste it. Okay. Storage account name also same. Okay. What is the access keys? This is the access keys. See, it is encrypted. This is the access keys. Okay. So generally, see, this is your client mission. This is my storage account. The request is coming from client to access the storage. So the storage account is asking, who are you? Now I am passing, this is my access key. I am the authorized person to access this data, so that it will allows us to access the storage account data. So that's why I am passing, what is that? This access keys. Copy this access keys and paste it. Yes, next, connect. See, this is the storage account. Expand it. Okay, yeah, file share. See, file share. See guys, we have Azure. Can we drag and drop some more folders? See, here we have Microsoft. Yes, drag and drop. It is uploading. See, yeah. So data I have copied from this directory to Azure storage account. See, this is Azure, Microsoft. It contains lot of data. Clear, guys? This is the one usage I am telling. But Storage Explorer, it is really very good tool. Many areas, many situations, I am going to use this tool in coming sessions. Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? File share. So to copy the files, okay, from one resource group to another resource group, one region to another region, there is another tool called AZ copy. That I am coming to the point later. Okay, so just I am copying the files. For example, you may get requirement, okay, from client end, storage account you have created in East US, another storage account you might have created in Singapore. Okay, now client would like to copy the files from East US to Singapore region. Okay, in that case, how can you copy? If you have like large amount of size of data, how can you copy? Using AZ copy tool. AZ copy tool. That is CLI, command line interface. How can you use? That all we will see in next session. Okay. Yeah, in next session, just we discussed about file share today. There is another option called container. What is the use of container? Container is a service and it is used to store unstructured data. Unstructured data in the sense, you know, right? Amazon Prime, they are storing large size of videos. They are using this kind of service itself. Okay, in AWS, they will use S3 service. S3 in the sense, simple storage service. That's why they mention S3. Azure, we are using containers. Okay, Reliance Geo is there, right? All Reliance data is stored in Azure itself. Okay, so Geo, movies, cinema, okay, entertainment, news, audio, video, they are using containers itself of Azure services. Clear? Okay, how to use these container services we'll see in next session. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Yeah, hi. Yes.
Can I speak in Telugu?
Yeah, అడగండి.
వర్చువల్ మిషన్ క్రియేట్ చేశాక డిప్లాయ్ చేయాలంటే దానికి ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది సార్?
ఏం ఛార్జ్ కాదండి. వర్చువల్ మెషిన్ క్రియేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు అప్లికేషన్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేసి టెస్ట్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత ఆ వర్చువల్ మెషిన్ ని స్టాప్ చేసుకోండి.
స్టాప్ చేసుకోవడం.
ఓకే.
Can we store data in unstructured data into structured?
Structured data into
unstructured, like in container. Can we
in containers you can store unstructured data.
Or can we paste structured data as well?
Yes, unstructured in the sense structured data also it will accept it, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And in the file share, can we paste unstructured data?
Yeah. No, actually it is not recommended. Okay, simple unstructured data you can store it in file share as well. No issues.
It is not recommended, but can we test like?
Yes, you can do that. Small size of amount of unstructured data you can store it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
One more question, sir.
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినవన్నీ చేసుకోవాలంటే దానికి ఛార్జ్ పడుతుందా, ఫ్రీ అని మొత్తం?
అంటే ఫ్రీ ట్రయల్ అకౌంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ 14,500 వచ్చి ఉంటుంది కదా.
మాకు ఆ క్రెడిట్స్ చూపించడం లేదు సార్. అందులో
ఖచ్చితంగా చూపిస్తుంది. ఒకసారి మీ షేర్ చేయగలుగుతారా స్క్రీన్? ఒకసారి వి విల్ లుక్ ఇంటూ దట్.
ఓకే.
మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది. నేను చెప్పాను కదా నిన్న ప్రాసెస్, ఆ విధంగా చెక్ చేసి చూడండి. మీకు ఇక్కడ ఇది సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ లైక్ వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేయండి. 100% యూ షుడ్ బి అపియర్. ఎనీవన్ ఫేసింగ్ సేమ్ ఇష్యూ వేర్ క్రెడిట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ షోయింగ్? No, right? Kiran, Vivek?
No. I'm not sure whether she used credit card and other.
No, మీరు ఎలా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేశారు మోనికా గారు?
క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ తోనే సార్.
క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ తోనే యూజ్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేశారా? ఓకే, యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు క్రియేట్ ది వర్చువల్ మిషన్?
యా.
ఓకే, ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి.
కాకపోతే డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేయలేదు సార్.
ఓకే, వర్చువల్ మిషన్ అయితే క్రియేట్ అయింది కదా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఆ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ లో మీకు ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది ఏ సర్వీస్ ఎంత యూజ్ చేశారో కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేనున్నాను, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, టీసీఎస్ అనే డైరెక్టరీతో 800 యూజ్ చేశాను. వర్చువల్ మిషన్ డెస్క్స్ కి 500. ఓకే, ఒక రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ 400, అదర్స్ 2.5K. ఇలా మొత్తం చూపిస్తుంది. క్లియర్?
అంటే డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేశాక చూపిస్తారా, ముందు చూపిస్తారా?
మామూలుగానే చూపిస్తుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు వర్చువల్ మిషన్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు కదా, దానికి 10 రూపీస్ 50 రూపీస్ డైరెక్ట్ అయినట్టు చూపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ.
అది చూపించట్లేదు సార్.
సో ఈ బిల్లింగ్ సైకిల్ అన్న చూపిస్తుందా మీకు? నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇది 11th నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ 10th వరకు ఉంది. ఇది అన్నా చూపించాలి. ఇక్కడ ఖచ్చితంగా చూపిస్తుంది మీకు. ఒక పని చేయండి, మీ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ నాకు పింగ్ చేయండి, నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే.
ఓకే,
క్రెడిట్ కార్డా?
అజూర్ పోర్టల్ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్.
ఓకే.
మీరు లాగిన్ అయ్యారు కదా, యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్, ఆ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ నాకు పంపించండి, నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను అంటున్నాను.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.
Yeah, I have one question.
Yeah.
So why can't Azure directly have that plugin as Azure Storage Explorer? Why we are downloading separately and using that?
Storage account, Azure Storage Explorer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Azure Storage Explorer has lot of features. Okay. Now don't think about we are using for only storage account. Okay, even you can copy the drives and drives from one location to another location. At this moment, we are pointing about only storage account of file share. Okay, in the file share again, we have many services. We will come to that point one by one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, I tried to upload that downloaded Azure Explorer into file share. So it was
Okay.
fine for me. So maybe it required a good internet connection.
Oh, you uploaded? Okay, fine. No issues. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Your account, మీ కాంటాక్ట్ ఎలా చేయాలి సార్ ఒకసారి మీ ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్
Okay, నాది ఇది వాట్సాప్ నంబరు, యూ కెన్ పింగ్ మీ.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.
ఇది ఇప్పుడు ఇది దీంట్లో బ్యాకప్ ఉంది కదండి.
ఓకే.
సో బ్యాకప్ ఫైల్ షేర్ లో ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఐ మీన్ సోర్స్
బ్యాకప్ నో బ్యాకప్ వి విల్ కమ్ టు దట్ పాయింట్. సో బ్యాకప్
అది జనరల్ గా ఎలా అంటే ఆటోమేటెడ్ బ్యాచ్
ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏం కాదు, మనం కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసుకోవాలి దాన్ని.
ఓకే ఓకే. అండ్ సెకండ్ థింగ్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూపించారు కదా లోకల్ విఎం అదే విఎం అని మెయిన్ ఈ ఫైల్ షేర్ ఉంది కదండి. సో రెండు సేమ్ ఓఎస్ లో ఉన్నాయి విండోస్. సో అంటే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏదైనా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది అంటారా? ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడు మీరు
ఓఎస్ఐ ఉంటది, మాక్సిమం 90% క్లయింట్స్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ విండోస్ ఓన్లీ, నో నాట్ వరీ.
ఓకే ఓకే. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ గా లైనెక్స్ ఒకసారి అవటం, దాని నుంచి ఫైల్ షేర్ లో చేయటం
అది రేర్ అండి, ఇబ్బంది లేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే. యా. ఓకే. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a good day.